Hey everyone, Uncle Gary here. Welcome back to my continuous installments of how I built the shed at Olivia's house project. And I'm telling you, we used everything we could use to make it cost little to nothing. Coil nails got squished and well, you cut the coil, now I got some beautiful galvanized nails that we're going to use to hold this floor down. Now here we are, we're squaring it up and well, you try to do everything right to make it square. And when you're working by yourself, it takes a little bit longer than it normally does. I don't know if you can see it, but I actually put spacers where the edges go so that when you step on the plywood, it doesn't sag down. Of course, we're using 3/4 inch plywood, and it was repurposed from another job. That's right, Gary. Hammer them in. It went a lot faster if I used the pneumatic nailer, but well, you know how it goes. We're trying to do it cheap, on the cheap, and we're doing it on the cheap. Yeah, I know. If you guys look, you can see where I screwed up, but I'm going to fix that later. I know it just sits up on those pressure-treated pieces. And by the time we get the framing done, it starts to wobble a little bit, and I pour some piers around it to hold it up, or hold it down, or hold it steady. I don't know what you call it. Well, with like any building project, it's all what I call putter work. And when you're doing it by yourself, it takes a little bit longer. But we'll get her done. All the floor joists have already had some waterproofing put on it to make them last a little longer, keep the bugs from chewing on them. You want to see how I did that? Look at my previous videos. I'll show you even how I cut them out of logs. I got to move the camera. See, I'm showing you the spacers. I put them in there so that it actually makes it more sturdy. Oh boy, look at that, it actually fit. Oh, that's because the other one wasn't nailed in yet. Then I trim them to size. This building is 8 by 12, but the sheets were not cut at even lengths. There we go. Trim to size. Beautiful. Those repurposed galvanized nails from that coil, man, they're working nice. Hey, if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out my other videos, how I cut the logs, how I pre-cut the material. Heck, I even pre-cut the rafters for the roof and made it a lot easier. Got a separate video on how to do that. Very simple to do, well, kind of. I actually did it on the ground. I made a mock-up of the top plate. Trim to fit. Yeah, I don't like like putting too many nails in the end I'm going to trim. I've cut a few of them before. Saw blade don't like that. But hey, this is the one I was looking for. That's right, this is the last sheet. Boom. Whew. Man, what a nice looking deck. Sturdy, straight, square. There's that woodchuck. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Pretty sure the skunk has. Oh, look at that little mouse.